This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by raelmata. Beautifully renovated home. Amazing opportunity for an investor or owner. Low maintenance rental will be a great start to a new portfolio or a great, easy addition to. The seller had it rented for $1,495. This is a cash only property. Conveniently located close to I-75 and 301 and Alafia River. The seller is an investor and has never occupied the property. All room sizes are approximate. Schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below.